I run UK's favourite car leasing website, LINGsCARS.com, so you can trust me. Today I'm in my farm in County Durham selling my Yamaha 250 bike. I bought this YFM 250 bike. In America they call it a Raptor in 2013. It cost £4,000 that time. Look, this bike is just like new. After I bought it, it has hardly ridden. It probably only had less than 10 hours. And look at the bike, it's just like really beautiful and new. And even the line is still there. The bike is just so fast. And I really don't dare to ride it too fast. So maybe you can call me a chicken. Let me start up now. Let's go for a ride. It's got a brilliant parking brake, so easy to use. It's got a real clutch, just like a motorbike for control. No horrible CVT gearbox on this Yamaha. It has a proper 5-speed gearbox. You just click through the gears with your foot. The oil is like brand new. This quad has just 10 hours of use. Look, it's new. The suspension is just adjustable, so you can just make the bike suit your riding style. It's got twin headlights, very bright. The choke is easy to use with this knob on and off. It works perfect. The chain is sealed O-ring and is like new. The quad has 3 hydraulic disc brakes and stops really well. The exhaust is like new, no corrosion. The exhaust is like new, no corrosion at all. Look underneath, there is no damage at all. You will never see another Yamaha 250 in this condition. If I take the seat off, you will see the toolkit. It's brand new. Look, all the tools are here, exactly as it's left to the factory. That's it, my beautiful Yamaha 250 racing quad bike. Come on, I'm gonna put it on eBay now, and please start to bid now. You won't be find a similar one in the UK. This is just like a brand new beast, and bid now.